the moment. I speak Czech, but like,
Yeah, a little bit. So you speak English, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm a photographer. This is my colleague,
I'm
photographer.
Ukrainian, so I understand general.
Oh, brilliant. So basically, I'm asking random people on the streets, which inspire me somehow. I saw you. I was like, yes, I need to ask, otherwise I would feel terrible, right?
Okay.
And to make a quick photo shooting, it can take like five minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. And of course, I will send you the pictures for free.
Okay. I wish I had something in my hair.
No, you look brilliant. You look brilliant, really.
Thank you.
Like really. So if you give us like 5 minutes to do it, I think we can do it on that street because there is also a light, or over there where this overcast is, kind of on this wall. So we can use this a little bit also with the wall with this Cafe Palace. Yes.
Let's go.
Can I take it for you? It's heavy, right?
Not so much.
Not really.
Well,
What's your name?
Vlada.
I'm Jan,
Yeah, nice to meet you.
and it's Tonda.
Nice to meet you.
Cool. It's a great experience, right?
Oh, yes, no.
Sorry.
I always saw such a video in the...
On TikTok
I don't know.
or Insta or Reels?
Instagram.
Yeah. Okay, we will use this wall because what I really like to use always, it's a contrast between shadow and the light. And, yeah, let's put it behind this, so no one will take it in here. Anyway, we are two in here and we are fast, and he's very young, you know, so this is...
And the question, to be honest, I don't like this here, like too much things. Maybe I can take it and just...
Take it off if you feel better like that, but I like the coat actually.
Yes.
I really like it. It's stylish. And also because you have very blue eyes, the gray color also is very complementary.
Is there too many kind of 1, 2, 3?
No, layers are brilliant. Trust me. So so let's first shoot, because I want to introduce you what I like to do. It's here, somewhere around here, when you stay. The shadow will kind of close you, yes? And I want to use this. Alright.
Tell me how to stay.
This is how you stay, is brilliant.
Should I take my glasses?
No, we can do both, but now keep them. And yes, put your to feel comfortable, yeah, exactly. And this shoulder, you can put it a little bit on me. And stay like this. I just need to put a little bit chin up. Brilliant. I will go a little bit closer, and you can play with the glasses actually a little bit with one hand. Yeah, like your exactly. And I will go from this angle, and you turn your head on me. Exactly. And now look over like here, like my finger. And I will take you from the side. And what I need you to do, look what I'm doing with my head, right? I need you to do a little bit like a turtle. Yes, exactly. Brilliant. I will show you. We just did now. And this is with the light. This creates amazing, a little bit line gradient between this. So now I will leave Tonda. He will do his magic, right? I will lead him a little bit, and then we will finish it.
Okay.
It will be fine, right?
Yeah. So what should I do?
So what would you like to do?
Yeah, Accesorries.
Okay, so let's do it together, and Tonda will be just watching and taking pictures also, right? Might be better. So let's come in here and sit. Can you drop yourself a little bit?
Sit?
Yes, not really sit, but you know what you can do? I really like this what it has. So you can put it like, yeah, like this, exactly. And we will still play with this game, with this light. I need you to go a little bit here, a little bit there. You can feel it, right, when it touches you, right? Exactly. Yes, brilliant. And now I want you to come towards me a little bit, slowly.
Just 1 second. Just like that.
So you will go slowly. You will put it back. You will put your hands in the pocket.
Okay.
And you will do it very slowly, right?
Oh, I'm so shy. Okay.
No, you're amazing. You're amazing. Everything is there. All right. You can go towards me. Slowly. Look into the sun. Brilliant. Look at me. Perfect. And now I will do a contour light, right? So you stay like here. You can put your, again, one. Do you have pockets, normal pockets? Yeah, this looks also great. Look at me. Perfect. This is nice. I cannot wait to show you. Look at me. And now look over there. Yeah. To the glasses. Perfect. I will go closer. How do you feel?
Better. Just like maybe without glasses can be...
You would feel better?
Why not? We can try
Okay,
both.
let's go over here. Oh, you have this, this...
Oh, yeah.
Perfect. How do you feel, Tonda? Dobrý? You didn't expect it, right? Okay, let's go over here. We will do very similar thing. What I want you to do, because I like this framing. See it?
Sit here.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Can you do it?
Yes, I will, but I will take it.
Okay, give it to me.
The,
I will put it on your things, right? Yeah, you can feel it, right? So basically, move your... Exactly. Look where you look, actually. This is great. Look over there. Oh my god. You're shy, right? You said? You said you're shy? So what I know you want to do, we will experiment a little bit. Like you are sitting, I need you to change legs a little bit, like the positions a little bit, all the time. But to make it easier for you, I more likely want you to swing your head like this. More in the shade, less in the shade, and so on.
And you are taking my shoes,
I am taking everything, but because this camera is extremely great, I can crop closer. So basically, even I'm far, I'm that far, I will show you. Actually, so this is how it is now. And this is even untouched picture, right? But I still can zoom like this, and it feels like I...
okay. I got this.
So this is what I do, and I will shoot you from various angles, right? But I want to use really this framing because it creates nice, completely different constructions. Exactly, and yeah, exactly. Look over there, on me. This is what we came for.
Wow.
This is wow, right?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, we will experiment with this. Yeah. You feel that, so more in shade, less in shade, and you can swing like that a little bit. And because I will focus more on your face now, you can change the hands around your face. This is the difference, how the photos will look a little bit different than the previous one, right? Good. You can also do this and that. You can close your eyes. Now look at me. Look at me. Exactly. So simple to work with you. A little bit more. And close the eyes. This is so cool. I will go close up and we will play with this. Exactly. You're so simple to work with. Okay, come closer here, and we will do, because it will create the same also in here. I just need you to be like that. I need to find out the way. Because you have beautiful eyes. Beautiful. Yes, it's okay. But you know what? Look over here. Focus there. Exactly. Can you put even like the nose more? Like that. So this is a little bit creepy, actually. No, oh my god, brilliant smile. No, it's creepy. I thought it would be a great idea, but the reflection, you know.
Yes, exactly.
But actually, it looks quite good. When I see it moving, it's not that. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, you made me crazy. So one more thing. Do you see? We will play. Yes, let's take it. How do you feel? Don't you want to take also this? I'm a little bit... Yes, I'm a little bit scared that this is too far from our side. And I'm taking this. So you didn't expect it, right?
No. Even
You want to try it on the... Yeah?
Even
Great.
they didn't do like the good make.
What do you say?
Stuff,
No, let's put it
like,
here.
Wow, okay.
Okay, so Tundu, budeš opakovat, co já dělám, dobře? So, Tatiana, I want you to, again, do you already understand the play we are doing with the shadow, right? So I will try this, and I think it goes over here. So more you push, exactly.
But it's so much.
So Tondo, this way, look at my display. See? Yes. Brilliant. But you're a model, right? You're a model. You know what to do. You are.
No, I'm just salesperson.
That's what model would say. Brilliant.
Where to which camera from this?
This. I'm thinking I will take a little bit of slow motion. Focus on Tondo. Only what you. So what you will do? Put your shutter speed higher. No, 1000.
Oh.
Put 1000. 2, 3, 3, 5.
Já už se dál nedostanu.
OK, tak to nech takhle. Ukaž mi to.
Jo, pojď si to.
Aha. Great. You're brilliant, Vlad. I'm very grateful. But let's finish it. Let's have it.
Okay.
Fuck. Okay, put yourself like this towards me and lean your head like that. I think that will work.
The accessory?
Yeah. Okay. And you can really move faster. Yes, how you do it, because then it helps because it's extremely sharp already. And if you do this, the shade also comes from everything to your eye. So more you basically put yourself, less shade. It's yeah, brilliant. I love it. Look into the camera. Yeah, this is so cool. You know what you can do? You can also do something around your head, like if you can, of course.
Okay, I can, but I just think
It's all those framings are looking brilliant. It's somehow weird because normally you wouldn't do it. And now let's do one more thing, but I think you're doing it. Is this that you open your mouth, like resting. It feels weird, stupid, but it looks amazing on camera, right?
should I stay in the same position?
Yes, because I will choose a different angle. And you can move your head a little bit like towards, yeah. I love it. Like, you're super inspiring, I must say. Like, super great. Of course. Those I love really much. Cool, I think we have it, but I need to take a contact for you. Or your contact, actually. Do you use Instagram? You use Instagram because you're called, right?